Hello to you all. Welcome to MFM Group, Financial Management Group. Thank you very much for watching our video. Again, today I'll be talking about what you know, obviously. We'll be discussing our trades of the day. Today is Saturday night. Yesterday, Friday, the 16th of the 11th month, 2018. I took a trade, not one, but at least I took 6 trades. And what happened yesterday was not good, so I just hold on to my trades. So we'll be taking a look at those particular trades, and I will explain what happened there. So let me just welcome you again to Global Forex Institute of Africa. This is an institution that is dedicated to teach the global Forex markets to brothers and sisters in Africa, because I have a lot of people who have been asking me to teach them how to trade. Some they are from Africa, so I just thought of opening a Global Forex Institute of Africa. Probably in the near future we'll be traveling there and doing seminars there. So again, we are in connection with Global Forex Academy. This is an institution also that is dedicated to teach our black brothers and sisters here in South Africa about how to trade, and also in the international realm. Okay, I've been having again people from other parts of the world, like America, Australia, all over the world, asking me again to help them to know the financial markets. And there are a lot of guys that are in America that I look up to, that I want to join venture with. So I hope that again this particular company will be going international very, very soon. And also we are in connection with the Exclusive Forex Academy. This one is dedicated to our exclusive members. This one is a division of our company that is dedicated to teaching our black brothers and sisters here in South Africa, strictly down here in South Africa, the world of financial markets, be stock trading, commodity trading, commodity in futures or indices, or CFDs on stock, bonds and so forth and so forth. Just the whole spectrum of the financial markets. This institution is dedicated to teach people about that side. So let me just take this moment and say thank you very much for watching our TV channel in YouTube or on YouTube and our videos. Thank you to our subscribers. I was checking our subscribers. At least, I think we have 1 or 2 people subscribing, and those who are viewing our videos, just so a couple of you guys are watching our videos. Thank you very much for that. Please, when you watch our video, don't forget to subscribe. Let me just explain something here. The reason why I'm doing these videos, especially showcasing my personal trading account that I trade as a demo. Actually, you will see it's a real account, but it is a demo account. Okay. The reason why I'm showing you my trades is because I want to actually showcase to the people out there that they say Forex trading is not real. Yes, of course, I'm not that type of a person who drives Ferraris, Lamborghinis, your Rolls Royce. I always say the time is not yet for me to do that. I'm still gathering some funds to live that lifestyle. But at the current moment, what I do, I trade, and I show you my trades, is to prove to our students that we do know what we are doing. We are not scamming them when we say, hey, come and learn with us. We will show you how to trade the market. I'm showing them whatever position I take, whatever asset I choose to trade. I will show them, the profits that are taken. But bear in mind that again, financial markets are definitely depending on how you approach them. Okay, let me first of all read our disclaimer before we go any further. Let us read our disclaimer. It goes something like this. This is a risk warning. This video is for general information only and is not intended to prove or to provide trading or investment advice or any personal recommendations. This information, the information in this video is indicative and may become out of date at any time. The producer of this video shall not be responsible for any loss that you may incur either directly or indirectly arising from any investment based on any information in this video. Any information relating to the past performance of any investment does not necessarily guarantee future performance. Please remember that trading and investing carries significant risk due to rapidly moving markets and may not be suitable for all investors. Losses, especially when trading leveraged instruments, can in some cases exceed your account balance. You should therefore obtain independent investment advice and ensure you fully understand the risks involved before trading or investing. The information contained in this video does not contain investment advice or recommendations on the purchase or sale of any securities. Thank you very much. Now, understand two things here, my brothers and sisters. Understand two things. The first thing is, when you trade, your capital is at risk. Your investment is at risk. Okay? Be warned that whatever brokerage firm that you choose and you deposit money into that account of that brokerage firm, which is your account actually, your money is at risk the minute you put it in there. So you must learn how to trade. You must familiarize yourself with what is to trade. Okay, don't just put money there and expect the brokerage firm to make you money. The job of the brokerage firm is to give you the codes and is to give you the assets and their value, and then the rest is up to you. You choose what you want to trade. You choose the lot size. You choose the time frame, you choose the session. Sometimes your brokerage firm, they will give you advice, tutorial material like videos, and they will do workshops, they will do seminars. But again, they are not guaranteeing you that when they do those things, you will make money. Okay, so it is absolutely unto your own hands. You know, it is absolutely unto your own hands. So hence, even our company, we can show you how to trade. We can teach you how to trade. We can do videos. We can do seminars. But the bottom line is, we are not ensuring you that what we teach you will make you money if you don't put it into practice. You understand what I mean? So my video here is made to show you that if you do what we show you, what we tell you, you put it into practice, this will be your result if you do what you are being told. Okay. Now, this is my initial account. The account on Friday was at about 166 or 100,666, right, and 33 cents. So I took a chance on Friday because I was busy. So the chance that I took, I gave, you know, sometimes I will just check the market in terms of technical analysis, you know, apply my chartist strategy. I will just watch the charts and, you know, try to read the price and then see where the movement, the next movement will be. So what I did on Friday, I did the very same thing that I usually do. Went to my favorite pair, took the euro and the US dollar, probably, I think, if I'm correct, but we'll see when I go to the asset there or the codes. So looked at it because I was busy. What I did, simple, and I threw 3 positions. I think it was, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was buy position, three buy positions. I opened them at one size lot, or at the one size lot actually, yes. So what I did, one hour chart. Then I went to do my job and then came back later and I realized that something was against me. Something was against me on Friday. So I didn't check the fundamentals. If you check my videos when I teach, I usually say to the students or whoever will be watching the videos on YouTube or on Facebook, I usually say, or privately, I usually say, I respect people who are fundamentals, because fundamentals, they have no choice. After watching the news or reading the news, they have to go to the charts. They don't have a choice. They have no way to trade. They go to the charts and they have to analyze the charts also. And after analyzing the charts, then they will put a trade. So with the chartist, the problem is here. With the chartist, you go straight to the charts and you are tempted to put a trade. You are tempted to put a position without knowing the global news, without knowing what the currency pair that you are trading, what is being said on the news. Is there any what I call any events or any serious news that are happening concerning the trade of your currency pair? You know, I didn't check on Friday. What I did, I went straight to the charts and I was applying my chartist skills, looked for the price action, and then voila, I took a trade. But something was wrong, right? Something was wrong on Friday. So this is what I did. Here's my best choice of pair currency, the euro and the US dollar, at the 1 hour chart, one lot size. So I took a buy position because I was confident. Probably my technical analysis, they were in line with exactly what I thought the line will be. So I throw it in. You know, I took the position, only to realize that something was not going the way it's supposed to. The technical analysis, they were right. I saw them, they were right. Indicators, they were right. Everything was indicating that this is a buy position. I went in. The minute I went in, it was promising, right? It went up a little bit, but then it came down. Then I was wondering what happened. What had happened here, right? What had happened here? So something had happened. So I don't know what happened. Didn't check the news, even though on Friday I knocked early at work, but when I got home I was tired. Even in the middle of the night, I usually watch the news in the middle of the night, about 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m. I'll be watching the fundamental news, but I didn't do that. I was tired until today. Still today, I didn't watch the news, so I don't know what's going on with the euro and the US dollar at this moment. So Friday, what I did, when I came back again around a couple of hours late, I checked my board and I found out that I'm losing this trade. So what I did a system which we call hedging, right? Now hedging is, if you are losing a trade, let's say like me, I just bought the euro and the US dollar at 1.13551, and when I turn around it was at 1.13521, which is the trend is going down. Okay, it went down by about 3 pips there. So with the one lot size is about 30 pips, it went down, right? So what I did, I hedged this trade. So what I did, I went sell. Okay, look at what happened there. So as I took a sell position, the price started going up. So when the price went up, something happened. Okay, this is actually the first price of the first position that I took. This is the initial code for that. I bought it at 1.13551, and then it went to 1.1352. So I thought I was making profit, but it came down to 1.13521. Now watch this. This is the position that I opened. You see, the position that I opened was just right here. So my technical analysis were telling me that I was in the right I was in a corrective mode. Okay, I was definitely in the corrective mode. All right, but then something happened. Something happened, and everything started going down. My stochastic told me that I was in the region of almost being oversold, but I was not yet in the region of oversold. But then I thought, as I'm going in the region of being oversold, what I can do is to buy already and then go and do what I do. It will eventually go up. But then I was wrong, right? I was totally wrong. Look at what happened. Instead of the trend going up, the trend actually started moving around and coming down. Look at that. Okay, look at the chart from here. At about 1.13543, right? The chart was going down. Remember, I bought at around 1.13551, right? 1.13551, 1.13551. So when I opened the trade, it jumped up by at least 1 pip to 1.1352. So I thought I was on the sell position. So the buy position, buy position. So I looked at the charts. There they are. My stochastic is not yet oversold, but the secret that I use to trade says to me this is a buy, right? So I took it. I went for it and I took a buy position. I was comfortable. Three positions I opened, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, right? So now what happened? The trend after a couple of hours turned around and it went down to oversold. So look at where the red line is, up there at 1.13600, just underneath it, because that is 1.13551. That's where I took the position. Anyway, that is where I will take my profit. That is the line where I will take my profit. The 3 lines are just down there. You see them, the black lines just underneath the red line. That's where the initial positions were opened at 1.13551. So my take profit is just underneath 1.13600. TP is there. I bought just above 1.13540 there, as you can see the lines. Now look at the distance from where the market was when I took the snapshot. The market fell to the point of 1.13337. So at this time, I did not hedge. Okay, I was not in the position of hedging. I was still concentrating on what is happening here, right? But then I thought of hedging this, and I said, what the heck? Let me go and hedge this, because this thing is falling. You see now it's at 1.13325, from 1.13551 to 1.13325. So if I took a sell position when I watched this, if I had hedged this by here, I could have been in profit by now. So the system that I use is hedging. There it is. Okay, at 1.1332, I hedged. I went and I took sell position. There it is. I took it at 1.13303. So now look at what happened. So when I took that at 1.133, let me see, 303. The buy position was at 1.1332. It was going down. So I entered the sell position at 1.13303. Sorry for saying that I entered here. This is not where I entered. This was the first position there. So there it is. I hedged. Now what is hedging? Hedging is if the trend goes against you, you take the direction of the trend and not closing the previous codes, positions, right? This is what is called hedging. So on Friday, this is where I closed my trade. So today, Saturday, I didn't check nothing. Friday until the markets were closed, I didn't check nothing. So I'll be checking this. No, today's not Saturday, it's Sunday. Why am I saying today is Saturday? It's Sunday. So tomorrow on Monday, I'll be checking this particular trade. So I will show you all of them. I put take profit. I don't trade with the stop loss anyway. I put a take profit. So what will happen? I will show you the trade. So I closed the week with a loss of about 12,434.19 South African rand. So my account was at 100,000. Now my account is at 88,000. Right? So psychological trading. If you lose money like this, you must make sure that you apply the right mindset. The right mindset is, do I have to close these trades because they are at a loss? Or do I keep on holding to them and hoping they will turn around? Now, the strategy that I use, I will prove it to you. There's a strategy that I use, that I share, that I don't share the strategy with anyone. But I will be glad to share it with people when they start to come into our company and become students. This is a strategy that I will share with you. Now, look at this. Look at this. I'm at a loss, or should I say I'm in a loss. Some people will say in, some people will say at. I'm at a loss of 12,434.19. Right? So the question is, should I close this trade? Because the market closed on Friday and today is Sunday. It's not Saturday. Sorry, I made a mistake when I say today is Saturday. Today is Sunday anyway. So what's going to happen here? What's going to happen when I open the trades tomorrow and I found loss of 12,000, 18,000, 23,000, 40,000? The account probably will be blown off. Let's say I open a trade. I open my positions tomorrow and I found that my account is written off, it's blowing off. What do I do? Psychological trading. Be prepared for anything when you trade. The minute you open your account and you place a trade, be prepared for everything. That's why it's important. Never ever trade on one side of the fundament of the analysis. Okay, I want people, especially people that say, I wanna, trade with you, let's share trading skills. I usually say to people, and our students also, I usually say, never ever call yourself a chartist. You will kill yourself. Just call yourself a trader, so that when you go and trade, you look at the both sides of the market, the chart and the fundamental. Look at both sides of the analysis. Right? So what I did on Friday, I looked only the one side. But usually that's how I trade. I'm a chartist. I just open the chart. Majority of my 90% of my trades, usually 90% of my trades, I take them without watching the fundamental news. But later on, I will watch them. So what I did this week, nothing, zero, zip. I don't know what the Eurozone is planning, but I just saw in the news that I don't know, was the CEO or the president of some Eurozone something resigned. I'm not sure. You see, I'm not even sure what's happening. But what I do know, somebody resigned, and he is one of the giants that moves the market. So the market was at the negative. Last time I checked, I don't know whether it was Thursday or Friday. But my chart skills killed me on Friday. But I have faith in them. I have faith on my chart skills. So probably on Monday when I open this trade, it will all be blue and that 100,000 will go up. So this is also to encourage you all, our students and those who are following us on Facebook and those who are following me as I trade, those who are saying, hey, please, brother, help me to trade. I usually say, watch, go to Facebook groups and familiarize yourself with what people are talking about, what they are doing. Go to YouTube, see channels there, download videos, watch videos, and learn, So this is part of learning, okay? What you are looking at, this is part of learning, all right? See you on Monday when I showcase the trades. Probably on Monday I can do a video showcasing what happened. Let me say yes, on Monday I will do a video showcasing the trades, but I will do it very, very late and I will post it on Tuesday. All right? Thank you very much.